Hello and welcome to the Expression Engine Interface Explained. We're going to begin by going up in the left-hand corner of the screen, and you will see a Publish and Edit button. Under the Publish button, we can publish programs and resources. And under the Edit button, we can edit programs and resources. Directly below that is a little breadcrumb trail. Breadcrumb trail tells us we're on the MSU extension page in the edit mode of resources. So that's a little visual of where we are on the page. Directly below that are some search filters. So I can search entries and I can filter them by just programs. And as that happens, you can see that the program channel is only showing, so only the entries that are in program channel. If I switch over to resources, we'll see that only the resource channel entries are showing. I can filter by category. So depending on where your entry was entered in a category, you could filter it here. It has every category that is contained in the MSU extension webpage. All the way down to the bottom, we will find a list of all the counties as well. So if you're looking for a specific item that might be a draft or a submitted or an open or closed item, you can click on this filter. I clicked on submitted and there currently isn't any submitted items. If I click on draft, I can see the items that are drafts. And again, I'm in the resource channel under that first filter. The last filter is the number of results that are on a page. This will come into play as more and more items are added to this page. Currently defaults to 50. And then there's a search box that I can actually start typing in keywords to entries. Here I typed in the word post, and you can see that just the entry that has the word post in it shows up. And again, I'm just under resources here. There I typed in the number 2 and found an entry that had the number 2 in it. And finally, I'm going to type in the word resources, and all the entries that are there have resources, so they're there. I'll switch over to the program entries, and I'll search for the number 1, and there's an entry with the number 1 on it. Here I will search for something that has the word entry. There's 2 of them there. Again, you can see I'm in the program channel. You can see that they're drafts. I can also go up to this edit button, click on programs, and see just the programs show up. Or I can go up and click on resources and just see resources show up. So lots of ways to kind of filter what you're searching for if you want to edit something. You can also click on the publish button when I want to publish a program resource or an entry or a resource entry. Now we're going to look down at the bottom of the page where there's some handy tools. If you click on these little tabs, there's some resources here on accessibility and some links to different things about accessibility. There's a tab that talks about anchor links, which are hyperlinks that you might put inside a page or in an entry. So there's some information there that you can read on your own later. There's a tab for Expression Engine Basics. There's a tab with some frequently asked questions. And there's a tab for Search Engine Optimization. And there's actually a link down at the bottom for an ENR page on Search Engine Optimization. So that concludes our interface overview. To log out of Expression Engine, we just click the Log Out button at the top, right-hand corner, and then we click Log Out. For more resources on using Expression Engine, please visit the website below. Thank you for joining me today.